This resource library is here to compile all the things I've learned from having talks with families at the end of life for over 20 years. I've seen so much suffering that could have been prevented, ended sooner. I've seen things that could have been treated earlier that were often mistaken as just old age. And I realized there's a lot of things about pets and behavior and how they communicate pain and suffering, how they communicate the early signs of disease that could be really helpful for pet parents. So I've created this resource library just for that reason. I hope you'll stay, take some time and look around. My biggest encouragement is don't put it off. It is very normal to want to put off the hard things. It is very normal to want to avoid this kind of topic because we know what's at the end, and that's very uncomfortable. But knowing this information sooner could really make a difference in your pet's life. And maybe it doesn't seem like a big deal if you time euthanasia a day or two off or a week off. But in my experience and the level of suffering I see and people don't realize they're going to get into with their pets, they do wish they had ended that suffering sooner. In many cases, even finding subtle signs of disease means you get to catch it sooner. You get to treat it longer and better. So there's a lot more advantages. This is not just about euthanasia. This is really understanding both quality of life and keeping your pet in a very humane welfare state through the end of life.